Hi everybody, welcome back again to another quick lesson on photography. Today's lesson is going to be on form photography. Now you have done assignments such as shapes, meaning you took pictures of shapes, circles, squares, rectangles, all the shapes that everybody knows about. People like shapes because they know what shapes are. Oh, I know what that is. I like that because I understand it. Now you get to add a little bit more to your art brain and practice form photography. What is form? Well, that's a very good question. I'm glad you asked that. Form, to me, anyways, is a 3D shape. A shape it can be flat, and that's no fun. Form is a 3D shape. And people have problems with it because it can be a thing. It doesn't have to be a person. It can just be a thing. So I'm here in my wood shop. It just flooded recently because when things melt, bad things happen because Mother Nature is funny that way. She's like, oh, you have a shop full of wood. I'm gonna fill it with water. But I'm gonna take some pictures of some ice and bricks and things that are simple shapes, but I'm paying attention to things such as lighting. Is the lighting good? Does it give me the depth I need? Does it give me those blacks and whites that really make a cool photo? I pay attention to patterns. I have a gutter full of bricks in here, and all the bricks kind of look the same because, well, they're bricks. So I pay attention to things such as patterns, because a repeating pattern can make a bigger form. Instead of just one brick, I have multiple bricks. So then people see, oh, there's a little form here, a little form there, a little form, la 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 la. I also pay attention to things such as texture. The ice in here has really cool texture. It's not only icy, but it's frosty. And the bricks have a texture too. So I pay attention to things such as lighting, texture, patterns. And then a fourth thing that I was looking for was depth. I'm not just going to take a flat picture of bricks standing up. Oh, look, I took a picture of bricks. Think pretty. Look, I did something. I'm a photographer. Look at me go. No. I know I'm picking all four of those things. You absolutely do not have to. Form is usually hard for the beginning photographer. So if I was you and taking a photo of stuff, especially a form, I would just focus on one of those four things. Find a subject that's somewhat interesting to you, and then tell yourself, does it have pattern to it? Does it have light? Does it have depth? Does it have texture? I'm hoping those are the four. Yeah. And then just pick one of those to focus on. Don't pick all four because you're going to get frustrated and then you'll be like, I don't like photography. It's stupid. It's not stupid. It's just hard. So make it simple. Find something that you want to take a photo of for form photography and just focus on light. Focus on pattern. Focus on depth. Focus on texture. One of those four things. That's it. And then work your subject. You have to take a lot of photos for all of these assignments. A lot of photos. And if you're just focusing on one thing, you can just practice that one thing and get a little bit better at that one thing. If you want to do all four, go for it. It won't hurt my feelings. But I'm going to show you what I'm going to be taking some photos of and then post the photos a little later. So when I came into the barn, this was flooded and now it's icy. If that's a word. And it's full of bricks and I'm looking at it, it's like I can make a cool picture out of form for this. So I'm going to. So here I go. I'm taking some pictures and I'll post them after this video. Enjoy! Well, everybody, thanks for watching on how to do some form photography. I hope you learned a little bit about this. It is a little challenging, but I'm sure you can do it. You gotta take some photos. So take some photos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.